Hey, it's Aran here. In this new Zenler tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to send a video to your email list to watch without them being able to download your video, so this gets sent in an email. So here's how the process works. You basically don't want to send the video itself, you want to send the link or the page where the video is hosted. Here's how you do it. First step is you want to obviously create the broadcast, and we'll call this video link. We're going to click on create, and once you're in the broadcast, you can then type the email and write whatever it is you want to say. So we're just going to pick something just for the sake of demonstration. Here you go, next. And now here you can type the different details about the email, okay? So now what you're going to do is you're going to click here, and you're going to click here to watch the video. Now you're going to need to highlight it and click on link and insert link. Now the link needs to be a URL. Now the URL has to be a different page which you're going to get from elsewhere. So what you're going to do, you're either going to go to marketing funnels, and let's just pretend that this is part of a funnel. You can pick this link right here, which is the thank you page, and paste it right here. Now, whether it's a part of a marketing funnel or just a standalone page on your website, I don't know, and therefore I'm going to give you a couple of options. Let's just create a totally blank page. So you're going to go to site, go to pages, click on add page, and then we're going to call this free training demo link. Let's just say, I'm going to paste it here like that. And you're going to make a blank page, publish this page, click on add, and now it will open up in the editor. When you're in the editor, you want to basically put the video. Now, personally, I like to always put some sort of a call to action as well. That's obviously up to you in terms of what you want to do. But here on the page, your video needs to be uploaded to your media library. The media library can be found right here, and you will want to upload it by clicking on upload files and uploading it here. Now, in case you already have it, you just upload it here. I already have videos uploaded, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on add row, 100%, add element, videos, and then now you see here all the videos I've already uploaded previously. Okay, now I'm just gonna click on this video just for the sake of demonstration. The reason this video is already there is because I uploaded it to the media library. Let's just pretend for a moment that you don't have a video in the media library. What you can do instead is you can just click here on add element, click on video, and you simply click on upload video and do the exact same process. You click here and then you upload the video. So you just find a video, upload it, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Now I don't want to do this right now actually, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to pick this demo video. Okay, click on save, and now I'm going to get out of this one. Changes saved successfully. I'm going to close, and then I'm going to go back to pages, and here's the link, free training demo link. Then you're going to copy this right here, click on copy, right click if you want, copy, go back to the video link, and then you're going to paste it right here. Now when you click on insert, I like to make it bold, and now when they click on this link in the email, it will automatically go to this page that we created. This particular page is created, and we will have the exact video that you want. You can also get rid, if you don't want the distraction of this stuff as well, you can get rid of it. You can put a call to action below. You can get rid of any of that stuff here. That's a different tutorial on how to actually set up a landing page in Zenler. So that's about it. Hope you got value from this video. If you have any questions, let me know. That's about it. Speak to you soon. Thanks a lot for watching the Zenler tutorial. Really appreciate it. So if you want to check out new Zenler, if you haven't used it before, go to tryzenler.com. It will give you an option to create a free account where you can actually play around with it and take it for a test drive on your own. When you do that, also send me an email to contact@aranbukhari.com, and if you decide to actually sign up and become a paying customer for Zenler, I'll send you a bunch of bonuses that are actually going to help you get your website up and running as soon as possible with my help. And if you're already a new Zenler customer, then go to aranfunnels.com/Zenler in case you want to get some extra help from me personally to actually help you with your website. And also there's a bunch of bonuses there that you're going to be able to download to get prepared for what you want to get done. That's about it. If you have any questions for me about new Zenler, any tutorials you want to make, anything like that, leave a comment below. And of course, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll speak to you soon.